beat DJ to a pop culture reference.
Oh, no, I mouthed it, but I didn't dare say it on the microphone.
Oh, got it. Oh, so you let me walk off that.
I was supposed to present one of our draft picks, but things are ridiculously crazy at this draft in particular. So I wanted to come out and say this. I will see you all right here for the show tomorrow night, and I will also see you at 2022 when the Cleveland Browns win the Super Bowl. And I'm out.
Look out. Machine Gun Kelly was supposed to announce a third round selection, but it looks like he's out.
Well, he's going to join the Isley brothers.